Machine has a FANUC eye control. You have two pallets because it's a pallet switcher on that table. Right now he's running the Z-axis. You have 22.4 in Z, 16.9 in Y, and 22 of X. You have a 40 taper spindle. You can see he's moving the X there. All these axes are quiet. And that's your Y. Again, that's the whole head in and out over the pallet. Right now we are running at 3,000 RPM. It goes up to 10. 12? 12,000 RPM. 7,000 RPM. That's 10. Okay. We are going to simulate a tool change. There's a 30 tool side mount automatic tool changer. There you go. You saw the twin arm move. I'm going to do another. This machine also has coolant through the spindle and a regular coolant system, a chip conveyor. We're going to do a pallet change. Let's stay there. Around and around she goes. Merry-go-round. Okay. Doing it again. You can see in the front here, when it comes around, that's where the pallet lands. Kind of a neat machine. Hey, thank you for watching our video.